Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. Today I am going to explain one of the very common scenario of Google Meet, which is how you can record your Google Meet session or how you can, set the visual effects. For example, if you are on the place where your background is not good, so in this case, you can add a virtual effects which is already there in the Google Meet and so how you can do it how you can play with this two scenario, so I will show it. Okay, so I am currently in my account, so you must have to log in with your Gmail accounts. And here you already have this meet section, so currently I already opened this meet sections. Okay, so either you already have the Google Meet link or you can click here for understanding. Okay, so you can click on the start meeting. So once you will click on start meeting, so your meeting will be started. Okay, now you will have some options which is already provided. So for example, here you can see the different options we have, but we will click on these three dots first of all for recording. Okay, and now you will go here and click on manage recordings. So once you will click on that manage recording, here you will have option. You need to select a particular language, so I will select the English language, and here I will click on the start recording. So once you will click on start recording, this is a very important message that need to be shared with the another stakeholders which is available in your call. Okay, so it clearly say that this call is being recorded, so you need to take the consent from all participants. Okay, so once the participant will give you a go ahead to record this call, then you will click on this start button. So once you will click on the start button, so here in the left corner you can see I have a red circle that it means our call is being recorded. So this is the process of call recording. So now your question will be, so after the recording, how you will get this particular recording sessions. Okay, and the purpose of this recording is basically in the several circumstances it is required to see the same videos or the same video sessions you need to share with some other stakeholders. So for that you must have to record. Okay, it is depend on your work and scenarios. Okay, so now once your session will be ended or you will be outside of this call, that means you will click on this leave call buttons. So on behalf of how long the video it is. Okay, so if the video is for example the video is for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes, then it will take 5 to 10 seconds to come in your uh, Gmail account. So for example, I have recorded a session and now the session is ended. So after 5 to 10 seconds, or if your video is too long, then it will take some time like 15, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So this type of things I experienced. Okay. So here you can see recently I have recorded two sessions and this session is available in my Gmail after 5 or 10 seconds. Okay. So this is a process. When you will click on that particular links, then you will see that particular sessions that you have recorded already. Okay, now I will explain the another scenario, which is the visual effect. So for example, currently I'm in my home, so here there is no issue to visualize whatever background I have. But in any circumstances, if I want to hide whatever in background, so for that you will click on again on the three dots. Here you may have an option called visual effects. So once you will click on that visual effects, so here you will have different options. So some of the by default. So for example, this is a very interesting visual effects. Here you can see very interesting visual effects it is. You can add something else. Okay, even you have the option to upload the images. For example, if you want to set specific images in your background, so you can upload from your desktop system, and then you can set that particular images as a background. So here you can already see mm, I have uploaded these images first. This is not a by default images, I have uploaded from myself, and then I can use this at a time of session or anything else. Okay, so this is the process. If you do not want, if you're not liking it, then again you can go and click on this turn off visual effect uh, links. Once you will click on turn off, then again you will be visualize whatever your actual backgrounds. Okay, here you will have the different backgrounds, whatever backgrounds is suitable for you, so you can add it. For this is just a visual effect, so you can change or you can modify according to your requirements. So that's all regarding the changing of visual effects and regarding the call recordings. Okay, so now if I will click on this leave call button, so after some time that call is being, whatever call is being recorded is sent in my Gmail inbox. Okay, from here we will click on this. For example, this is the previous, this may be the previous video. So here you may see, so our video is already available in my Gmail inbox, so I can use this particular video as a reference in future. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so thank you for staying with us, and please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future references. And please do not forget to hit the like button as well, because this helps to spread this type of video in the larger community as per Google algorithm. So thanks again. Thank you.